in the middle of the field here at Joshua Speedway in the 11K. Let's see what's going to happen here. Total Dodge Space Truck gets ready to scream off the racetrack. We'll get ready to go green for our second main event of the night. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Green flag is out. Now the 7 of Lester is jump on the opposite. Well, Lester is patient. No, Sullivan overdrives up the racetrack. That's out to the front. Open scrap two out ahead of Sullivan. Every single lap, a little bit too much in turn number 3. Spins it around, now going the opposite way around the speedway. Looking for a spot to get it turned around and refill the field here, I believe. Yep, that's exactly what he's going to do. Single car spin, bring up the opposite. Jason Meister, he's got the wall here, ladies and gentlemen. Start with that. Just hit it on the raffle. The more you buy, the more you can win. $1 a ticket or an arm's length of tickets for $10. So here we go. Restart this race with 19 laps. Out ahead of that monopoly. Now let's go. ladies and gentlemen, Jason Lester, your winner of the new Smyrna trucks tonight. So Jason Lester taking the hot device off here. We'll get him over the front of the truck and grab a couple words with him. Well, Jason, about a month ago, you took home the win the hard way. Tonight you make it look easy. You led the entire thing.
Consistency is the key. Both on the radio is great, man. I'll tell you what, to run O's and O's and O's and O's and teens on old tires, can't ask for more. So we're happy with it. We didn't want to buy tires. I felt like we were fast enough with old tires, and sure, we are. I want to thank all you guys for coming out. I know it's not a big truck count, but all my fans, I love you guys. I want to thank Mark with CST Fishing Charters. He does a lot, like I said in the interview earlier. I won. I didn't hit her. I didn't beat her. I didn't get cussed out. So I did something right.
Well, you definitely did, because you took the lead on lap 1. You survived a restart with her right beside you, and you made it look easy. What makes you so good here at this racetrack?
It's not that, it's hard to say. So I haven't been doing this long, but we do our homework, and every time that 59 beats me, it makes me go home and do more. So, but I think we have a very good piece. I smacked the wall. I don't know what the hell I was doing.
Yeah, what happened there? I see you come by and you got damage in your truck. What are you doing?
I saw Shaggy running across the track, and I didn't want to hit him. But it's just, I don't know, I haven't hit the wall in a while. And I know Becca's probably back there like, oh shit, he hit the wall. Excuse my French, but I'm sure she was probably thinking knocking the toe out when it might have. I don't even know, but it's a good truck, man. I'm happy with it. It took us a long time to get here. So I want to thank my beautiful girlfriend, Colby. She does all the internet stuff. You advertise us a lot. Appreciate it. Love New Smyrna Speedway, and I'll be back.
Well, we appreciate you being here. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up to Jason Lester, your winner of the New Smyrna Truck Series tonight.